Dear all, welcome to my channel.
नमस्कार दोस्तों। मेरे इस 360 डिग्री व्यू ऑफ लाइफ एंड बिजनेस के चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। वेलकम एवरीवन। अगेन आई एम कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू with a series of business skills, third episode. So I will start small quotes by Warren Buffett. He said, never lose money, invest money. Second rule is never forget rule number one. It's a nice quote that. So you should not lose the money, you should invest the money. The lesson is whatever your step is there to invest your money, try to be maximum possible, it should not be loss. When you invest or when you expense it, it should be have some return thoughts. That means whatever you investing, you think that at least that much need to come to you. If the basic level of these thoughts will be there, your investment will be very authenticate, very practical, very thoughtful process. All those things will be. So today, my topic was also in that only. I already discussed in my series of episodes business skills, around 20 business skills I told. And a businessman or a business owner need to be understand and need to be adopt that technical skills which is required, technical, mental, you can say, or behavioral skill which is required in a business. So today I'm taking that in topic 20 points itself. One point is financial management. In that is almost in my own topic, you can say I am from the finance background only. So for me it's quite easy to deliver you actually why finance is required in a business and what is the impact, what way we are looking, all those things. And small 2 3 examples also try to present you so that you understand how much important it is in a business. Today I'm just bringing this as an English video only. Why? Because this should be very generalized. Anyone should know, anyone should understand. So that is why I'm just making in English only. Uh, First of all, I'm just telling you how the finance work in a business. First of all, you can say in a body how the mind is work. Mind is directed you and you are doing such a way the finance also in a business in that much important. If it is not there, I think whatever comes it will go. How much you earn it will go, what way gone, what way you not even understand, not even absorb. So finance in a technical financial method checkpoint to understand your business where you are in a financial aspect. End of the time, the financial aspect is not there, then business won't be uh, realistic or won't be meaningful. So that is why the main things is finance, where everything will be function through. So now one by one, step by step, I'll start. Today I'm not making any notes in my own so that I can tell you, because most of the things I will tell you most of the examples. So due to this only I need to tell you. Maybe in this financial aspects I'll do another video if required. So first of all I'll give a small example. I have one kind of, in my past experience I have worked in a company, and when I joined after some time we'll discuss with MD. So one day he told me when he's ignored the finance and what way the business has been gone down, again he rebuilt another business and in that company only I'll joined. So the time of discussion he just shared me the his history of experience, which is I understood that uh, he's a service oriented business. It is they are providing kind of AC services, you can say like cooler, AC, and most of the things like electronic parts in a seasonable whatever is there, he is normally providing services on this. And you can provide the, you can say, if you want to purchase a AC, he will full-fledgedly provide you the services with the AC to end-to-end product. So his business was very good. His scalable, his business in a next level, from Bangalore to the other city to other city to other city. So many cities is covering up. He's roaming around the market and all. So he's very good in delivering his product marketing. He know how to be what way the product has to be reached to the customer and all. So he's very nicely opened. Everything is done. The concern is the time of this marketing and involvement of outside roaming around for the business. He forgot to properly create a proper system from his finance. He never keep it any checkpoints in the finance so that he trustly went and people take the advantage. So many money has been fraud, so many leakage happened, the expenses are getting more and more future high only, and many things happened. Whatever money is earned, somewhere it is gone. Finally the police case happened, peoples are done fraud, he's taking case and all. End of the time, I'm taking you that what he has done, that need to be done definitely, but end of the time, the business point of view, if you see, the business has been failed due to very good marketing was there, very good service is providing, keep on his client also get increased. But the where the controlling point in a financial point of view, where the everything is factor, in that he doesn't have proper control. So what happened? So whatever he has took, some leakage it will go. So it doesn't have proper policy to adopt and make it one kind of policy or one kind of standard operating procedure to save all this. So that is I'm taking how much important in finance in a business. If you have a proper control, proper department procedure, proper SOP, and proper controlling trustfully and practical, you can say, processes through your accounts when it is um, functioning, so it will be you're very balanced, because from the finance only you're getting most of the reports, your payable, your AP, your AR, your statutory part, your, you can say, your reporting part, your data entry level part, your entire finance house functioned in your finance department or account department. It should be very organized and very structured, so that you always time to time you have to get your reports from the finance and all. In a finance point of view, when you see any reports, most of the thing will be clear. Once you understand this, your future decision will be taking place very nicely. So in any company, my suggestion, when you implement a finance department, don't untake care of that, because most of the companies owners are thinking that they can manage through their control the finance. But I am telling you, please hire, or you have someone, you have to introduce someone or a specialist for that. Because why? I am strongly believe finance in a business kind of patient, where the business owner are parents. In a hospital, when you admit parents with their children, how they feel tense. So that way the situation always in finance department. So kind of decisions normally owners won't take if they have a specialist. For example, in this one kind of patient finance, you can say, and the owner is there. When the finance is in a difficult situation, for example, a children has in a difficult situation in hospital is admitted, the parents always feel tense because his attachment is like that. But if you see a doctor, he cannot be like that, because he has to always facing this challenge. For him only is practicing how to handle the patient, what way he is to be recovered. Like that, you have to take a specialist in a finance and account department who can handle this crucial and sensitive area, where you involve in a top level what you actually looking from the finance department. You have to finalize, but most of the things you give the freedom to make it one kind of procedure, and sit with him, try to understand his point of view, and make it kind of procedure so that it will be secure, it will be controlled, it will be very significant, authenticate, filtering, all those proper points should be covered up. Time to time you have to see that how it's functioning, your entire things will be proper or not, how the inflow is coming, how the outflow is going. Not only the money matter, all matters, your purchases, your expenses, how it's coming, and when your revenue gain, how it's gaining. So in coordination, what is your getting in the end of the time, how way we are getting or not. So I'm telling you, in this department, you cannot compromise with only the count of people. You have to always think that a particular area to be specialized, at least in a senior level. Junior level, maybe you have to be take it of freshers and make them trained and all. It's another thing. But at a senior level, someone is good who's take care to understand logically how the finance to be function. So this is my video for a journal level. I talk and try to make you understand that how important it is with the real time examples. So thank you very much for your time. Don't ignore your finance department, has to be implemented in a proper way. Thank you very much.